Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to create a clickable hotspot image in Microsoft Excel for use on your SharePoint site. So we have a regular team site here. I'm going to start by removing the Get Started thing, and then I'm going to put a map on here and make each of the continents clickable to different URLs. So start with Excel. There are several tools that can do clickable hotspot images, but I find Excel to be one of the more powerful ones. So here I'm going to insert an image. I'll find an online picture and search for continents. And that's the one I like, so I'm going to insert that and just make it slightly smaller so that it fits on my page here the way I want it to be on my SharePoint site eventually, so I'll make it slightly smaller. And now I need to point out which areas are going to be clickable. I'll do that by inserting a shape. There are several predefined shapes here, but I just want to do the free drawing one so that I can draw around North America here. There we go. Just to make it more visible now, I'm going to do a shape outline and make it red, and there you see that I drew reasonably correct. And then I'm going to insert a hyperlink over here. I'm going to link that to whatever website I want, and of course I want kalmstrom.com. And I'll just repeat the process just to show you how it's done again. On the insert, I will draw using the shapes here. Select that and draw around South America. And of course I don't need to do the shape outline, but I will just to make it visible now. And then I will insert a hyperlink again. I'll do that again to the same website. I think you get my drift, and then I'll see that it works. Yes, those links do work. So let's just remove the outline. No outline on that one, and select the other one. There we go. Right click so that I don't follow the hyperlink there. No outline on that one either. And now I'm just going to save this to SharePoint. So I'm going to save as, and select my SharePoint site, and click in there. Now I have the shared documents there. You can of course also enter the URL to your site there. I do want to place this in site pages. I'm going to call this navigation. And I'm not going to save it as an Excel workbook, but I'm going to save it as a HTML page, web page. I'm going to select to do only the sheet, and under the publish here I'll auto republish every time this workbook is saved. That's really powerful. So I'm going to publish that now. Replace the file that I already had there for testing. And now I can save this, the Excel file, I can save that in my documents so that I can continue working on it when new continents are discovered or something like that. Call that navigation there. And I'm going to enable the republish and not show that message again. I can do that. Let's see. So now let's go into the website and display it here. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to insert the content editor web part, and that is under the media and content editor. And I'm going to make two changes to that content editor web pod, and those I'm going to do under the edit web part pane here. I'm going to change the URL. So I'm going to take the URL to the site pages, of course. That's the URL I want. I'm going to copy that, paste that, and instead not home ASPX, but navigation.htm. That's what and then under appearance, I'm going to change it so that it doesn't show any Chrome. So Chrome type none. Apply. And save. There I have my map, and as you see, North and South America are indeed clickable. The rest of the map is not. Let's do another one and just show you that this works. So again, I'm going to insert a shape, draw around Australia, like that. Insert hyperlink, another link to that, and then I save. And now it's publishing, as you see, publishing the navigation.htm. Refresh, and now Australia is hyperlinked also. I forgot to remove the outline. Of course, I can do that also. So on the drawing tools, I'll change the shape outline to no outline, and that gets removed. And every time I save the Excel file, it's publishing. So there we have a clickable image that I modified in Excel and made it visible in SharePoint. So that concludes my demo on how to make a clickable hotspot image in Excel and publishing it for use in SharePoint. Thank you for watching this demo.